Well, let's see if we can get something else done today. So I made two videos yesterday. Took me all day to do it. So this episode we're gonna be putting in the soundboard that make it go beep beep. You know, when you move stuff and it go. Anyway, you're watching Blue Bike Doors channel with an episode of Dickin around in the shed. Lucille's not gonna go boo woo woo woo. Betty don't. He just uses flashes right now. But we run an intro. So last week we got the hand guards on, and a lot of things they the same as Lucille's, the same size, but these are Memphis shade that I paid $75 for. I paid $45 or something from eBay. I believe those came from eBay. The inside on these are dark, like a flat black. That's okay. But on Black Betty, they shiny black, as you can see. So we working on the midsection there, putting the quick connection on and a soundboard. It's pretty easy. So let's take these saddlebags off and see what kind of mess we're gonna come in there. But first, I need to clean off that table. I was smart this time. I bought me extra batteries so I don't have to go back in the house when you run down. But this is the sound kit board, I guess, and that's the antenna part. But this is it. Beep woo wee woo wee woo. They don't go wee woo, it go beep beep. You know, it makes a lot of noise. So you got a plug here that's just a dead plug. It's a dead plug. This slides. It's got a hole for it. Harley just don't want you to pay extra for it, and it slides right in that hole eventually. What in all these wires? I don't know what that one is. That's your charging thingy. It just slides in there. Come on now, you just slide in there somewhere. Alright, I gotta get down where I can see what I'm doing. There's a hole for it. It goes right there. I just had to move some wires and shove it up in there. That's it. And then you unplug this wire right here that's just sitting there, because they used to come with them. And then, that's the top. And you just plug it in. You just plug it in. You just plug it in. It's that simple. Like I said, I don't know what. This wire just jumped out at me. I don't know what it does. We'll just tuck it right up in there. It's probably for some kind of accessory that you gotta buy extra for. And then you just take this wire and you seem like I moved it up here to the top, I thought. I like my beep beep. Beep. Well, why won't you start? Great. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Remember yesterday, last episode, I took the fuel tank off? Well, I never put the fuel back on. Get me a rag now before I blow her up. Would help if you had your gas hooked up. Yep. Your fuel gotta prime you. Everything smells like gas in here. We got to turn you back on on again. It helps if it's got fuel. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh, Lord. Well, that's how you hook up your soundboard. Let's see it go. I just like that. I think it causes flashing lights. Not gonna cause nobody to look over that way if somebody's moving your bike or bump it or something like that. You know, trying to steal it. You know, so yeah. I just rather pay $100 and get that longboard. Bet John from Rodiality didn't know that. You got all right. I guess I should have swore I sat down. But anyway, I'm gonna sit down for a minute. So you got these trims. If you've ever had the docking stations, you got to just all you do is pull these little grommets out and throw them away because you won't need them no more. There's a right and left side. You want these thingies sitting to the outside. And there's no bolts in here yet. There's just a hole for it. And then they just sit down in there like so. Like see? And they already got, guess you're gonna have to put the stud goes straight through to the other side. So that's pretty neat the way they did that. So you got some set screws. No, that goes. Two of those for each side. Okay, you got washers. You got these bolts and some other bolts. Why do you need? Do you got to take? You don't have to take that out, do you? You got those bigger washers. You got bolts that goes through. That's probably those right there. Yeah. I figured it out while I read the instructions. Am I right? I'm 85% sure I'm right. So let's get the bolts to bolt these up first. I wasn't reading the instruction because I'm a man. I don't need to read the instruction. I'm just making sure I know where all the pieces go. Yeah, because they're saying about an adjustable, a thicker fringe size of docking point with adjustment radius adjustment notch and a plastic insert number 2. Loosen the position of the docking hardware point horizon to the ground. 90-degree maximum docking point adjustments. It's a round thing. What do you need to adjust it for? Huh. I don't know. I never... You'd think... Okay, never mind. I don't know. Hose lined up. If I didn't have it. That ASMR is tight with a boat. Good time. Did I put lock tight on there? Maybe it'll be alright. It's awful close. Let's double check something. I believe that's the way it's supposed to go. Okay. Okay. A-okay. So here's what we're doing. You got the little metal spacer, I call it, and then the rubber piece to clamp on, because this, your CC bar, if you're running a passenger backrest, RCC bar goes from here, slips out in here, and then clamps out here. Your luggage rack clamps here, or slips on, clamp. And I'm using Loctite. I went back and Loctited those. I just did it off air, so you can't say I didn't do it. A little dab of do you. Alright. And on the instruction there, it says an hour. It takes you an hour to do this job. So, I believe you can do it quicker. Good and tight. You're torquing down to about 35 pounds of foot-pounds of torque. That looks good to me. I don't know about plastic. I guess you could, I don't know. I don't know why you would just, anyway. So the other side's just the same way, except it's backwards. It's flip-flop. So I'm not going to show you that side. It's the same as this side. Yep. I think that's about it. Well, almost. Since we're back here, I got another thingy. Nope, that's not the other. I can show you. These from Mecca. It's a Facebook seller, I guess. They was pretty. $35. You get everything you need. There's your plug and play. Plug and play. You got your little things to run your wires. These are smoked, and I don't think these are sequential, but for what they are, that'd be alright. So I'm gonna put them on the saddlebag, and then I can plug them up in here. But first, let me do that side. And then I'll show you hooking these up. Pretty simple. Well, I thought, yeah, I'm done. That's all, folks. I need to know. I gotta talk to my people with black bikes. How you keep them so clean? I mean, this thing shows dust. I'm gonna dread this spring when pollen season gets here. This thing will be yellow. What did I do? We got the docking station installed. We're ready to dock the Enterprise. I got my soundboard hooked up so it go chirp chirp. I got my Mecha. These are Mecha, and I don't know what I did, but there's a little bit of difference in them. But for $35, if I can find, they own Facebook, Mecha, and yeah. So let me show you, and they are sequential. They are sequential. Oh, I was gonna kill the fuel pump. So they look pretty good. I like them. I like these glow better than the LED bulbs like in Lucille. No offense, Lucille, but you can see. Figure out where the blinkers are. They light up amber, yellow, but that's okay. It gives it. But I like how they more plasma or something. I guess what you say. That's what I would say. And then you know, run, turn, brake. So yeah. So I'm gonna do some zip ties. And then we are done. We are done. Why ain't my... Ba 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 ba. Going on. That's sorry, when I hear my music, I just gotta dance. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Alrighty then. Thank you for watching the Blue Bike and Doors channel with episode of Dickin Around in the Shed, where we finish up the ass end, but there's still more to come. We're gonna make her booty bigger. Big booty Judy. Big booty Betty. Betty the Boo Boo Boo. Black Betty. She's back in black. I broke the sissy bar down. Figured I'll write it tomorrow or something, you know, later on. But I am going to put a trunk on it. That's what I'm Big Booty coming back. TCMTs. They sent, I got the luggage rack part, the bottom part. I got the backrest. I just got to wait on the trunk. I don't know why they send it all at one time. But anyway, I thank you for sticking around and watching me put that the docking station, the alarm on. And them the light's pretty good for $35. If I can find if I can find the link, I'll post it. Mecca, I think. I'll look it up. So you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button and remember to push the like button to give me a thumbs up, you know. I say that every time, nobody does it.